What's up, guys? So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the golden egg. So you guys are gonna want to get some prepared. You guys want to come prepared, okay? So usually the easier way is to go with a friend so they can distract the chicken and grab the egg and run. But I'm alone in this case, so I'm gonna grab a revolver, some ammo, a small bag, and a flashlight. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, I'm gonna go down to the sewers. Okay. Oh wait, I need a grappler. Yeah, I'll have some later. Yeah. Grappler. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the grappler first because I need a way to get back up. Okay, so then you're gonna go down sewers, okay? Huh? I'm okay, I can clean up myself. I already put them in the laundry. Sure. I changed it. Really, bro? Are you serious? They actually changed it. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna get out my grappler right now. They changed it. Okay. You're gonna wanna go over here. You guys have to be careful, okay? So this is why I recommend you bring a grappler. I'm gonna wait for this guy to go by. This little troll. Okay. Alright, listen up. When the ogre or the troll is gone, you're gonna go. What the heck? Oh wait. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Okay. Oh wait, this way. Yeah, see? Okay. This is the part where you get your friend or a weapon, okay? So I'm gonna shoot the chicken, okay? Okay, see that? It's dead. Right? It drops crates too. Then you got the egg. You're gonna put it in your backpack, okay? You're gonna put your weapon away and then get out your grappler and a flashlight. You're gonna go back to sewers, okay? Because we're gonna leave. Sewers now. You guys have to be careful because in this new update they added that lady. Alright, then you're gonna use your grappler to get back up here. Oh my god, I almost fell. Okay. Now that we're out of sewers, we're gonna go back all the way over here to spawn, okay? And you can repeat this same exact process by joining different private codes, and then you can solve it a bunch of times. So this is how you get the golden egg, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you guys later. Bye, guys.